Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss spiral model. So that is another model. It is a spiral model, a software development life cycle model that blends elements of waterfall and iterative models. So a life cycle model that allows for multiple iteration of waterfall style, right? So here you can see in this image, it allows you multiple iterations of waterfall uh, style. So it is called a meta model, a model of models because it includes the structure of various models like waterfall, prototyping, and iterative. Each loop represents a phase of software development cycle. As you go outward, each spiral results in a new version, prototype of the system, right? So each loop phase includes determine objective, what needs to be built, what are the constraints, identify and resolve risk, analyze alternatives, assess risks and resolve them. So develop and test, uh, build and validate a small version of feature, plan the next phase, right? So here you can see. So based on feedback, prepare for the next cycle. So there in this diagram, you can see there are multiple cycles. Therefore, we call it a model of models. So one iteration completes, then next phase start. So advantage handles changing requirements well. Risk driven risks are addressed early and continuously. Allows early prototyping. Supports customer feedback throughout. Sorry. So why it solves waterfall problems? The waterfall model does not allow returning to early stages easily. A spiral does. You can go back to planning, adjust objectives, and iterate flexibly. So, so waterfall, linear and sequential, agile, iterative, and incremental. A spiral, iterative with risk analysis. So, if we talk about flexibility, waterfall is very hard to go back, is very low flexibility. Agile, very high, welcome to changes anytime. Spiral is moderate, can revisit earlier phases. Risk management, minimal in waterfall, but in agile, it varies. Spiral, strong risk is central to each cycle. So I think that is sufficient information for this particular topic for the CISSP exam. But we need to keep in mind that life cycle model that allows for multiple iteration of waterfall style process, known as meta model of models. Each loop of spiral result in development of new system prototypes. So provides solution to the major criticism of the waterfall model. It allows developer to return to planning stages and as demand changes, right? So here you can see determine objective, alternative, and constraints, evaluate, then develop and verify, and then plan next phase. So in this picture, you can clearly see that there are multiple iterations. Thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any feedback or question, please share in the feedback section.